September and I can't wait to share with you the progress I've made on my sewing plans. Hi, my name is Shannon and this is my channel, The Sewing Warehouse, where I talk to you about my sewing journey and all things stitch related. I just came back from a weekend in the Peak District and it was so beautiful up there. We went for a little hike, followed by a picnic, and then we had a little stroll around Bakewell, which is one of those really cute English towns. Definitely worth a visit if you're ever in the area. There were no fabric shops, but there was a little craft fair which we obviously went to and had a look at all the things everyone was making, and it was amazing to see how creative everyone is. This does mean that I did not have a lot of time for sewing this weekend, but I did do some sewing during the week. As I said in my last vlog, I am in the midst of producing products for my business, but I can be sewing at the same time, so multitasking for the win. My normal blouse is coming together beautifully, but I have hit a little snag. I tried attaching the facing and realized the facing is not long enough. I lengthened my normal blouse, but I think I forgot to lengthen the facing pattern piece, so I just cut out the original pattern piece, and so it's not long enough. Luckily I have plenty of fabric left over, so it won't be a problem to recut those. But I have interlined all the pieces, I have sewn the back to the front, I've attached the sleeves. So once I have recut the facings, all I have to do is attach the facing, sew the side seams, attach the cuff, do the hem and add the buttons. So I definitely think I'll be able to finish that this week. And then on Saturday I am going to my sewing social, and I haven't been for the last 2 months, so I am very excited to see everyone again. I will take my peony dress with me. It's all cut out so I can just get started on the sewing. I don't usually take my overlocker to my social, but as I will be driving this time I might take it with me, and otherwise I will do French seams. And I'm wondering, because of the fabric, if that's not just a better idea anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna have a think about that. So that is my update about my sewing. But other things that had me sewing excited this week was the new collection by Maison Veuve. They have released 5 new patterns, 2 blouses, 1 dress, a coat and a pair of trousers. But my favorite has got to be the coat. It is a classy look with like broad shoulders, and I think it will look good on any body shape and keep you warm throughout the winter. Another new release that caught my eye was the new fabrics by Lisa Taylor. They are all super gorgeous, but my favorite is the Symphony in the cotton poplin. It's a rich vibrant blue with like intricate geometric shapes and delicate flowers, and perfect for a chic spring blouse, and I think I might just have to treat myself to some of it. What projects are you working on this week? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching, and for now, let's go sew.